Who are you and what are you studying in Turkey?
I'm Elif Lale and I study computer engineering in Middle East Technical University.
And why did you decide to do an internship in Germany?
I choose Germany for its leading role in innovation and technology, seeking international experience and growth in a different cultural professional setting.
And what are your tasks and projects at ZEKI?
I'm working on the BNTL project, focusing on autonomous bus development. I started with image processing and recently moved to designing user interface elements for better passenger interaction.
And what do you like the most about your work here?
I appreciate the supportive, collaborative environment that accelerates my learning and growth.
What have you learned so far, or what new skills have you acquired?
I've gained experience with ROS, learned basic image processing, and used Strapi to develop UI elements.
And how do the universities in Turkey and Germany differ?
German universities focus more on practical, hands-on learning with a strong emphasis on search and application, which I find engaging.
And what do you find better or more interesting in Germany?
The multicultural environment, especially in Berlin, has enriched my experience by allowing me to engage with different perspectives and cultures.
Why should other students do an internship at ZEKI?
I would highly recommend an internship at ZEKI to other students because it offers a unique opportunity to work on challenging projects in a supportive and innovative environment.
What would you recommend to future interns to get the most out of their internship?
My advice to future interns would be actively seek feedback, take initiative in projects, and make the most of the learning opportunities presented to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.